Number of rules will be contained in one place is nothing but a rule set. And the name itself, rule set, in the sense of set of rules or number of rules. So rule set is a container of rules. So we can say like it is a collection of rules or container of the rules. So if you open the rule set, see, this is the rule set. In the rule set, this entire thing is rule set. In the rule set, we have currently only one version. If we open this one, in this particular rule set, we have number of rules. We see all these rules are created by us. Okay, so what is the rule type and rule name, our class, rules availability, and who updated and last updated. If did we do any circumstance, we can also see the circumstances or not. So this is the rule set and the version, and how this is how we can see the rules. This is only these 29 rules only related to this one version. If we here see, this rule count will be applicable to entire this ICICI insurance rule set. Open 37 rules. Here we can see. So rule set contains the entire page. We are seeing rule set, and this rule set contains rules. Rule sets are referred in application. See this. If you open the application definition,
I have a question here before moving on. Why is the rule count 37 and there is 29 rules? What's the difference between there?
see, these rules are belonging to only version. Okay. Suppose tomorrow I have created another version. In that another version, I have again 29 rules.
Okay, what is that rule count above that? That's what I was asking.
Okay. Number of rules in the total application.
Total application. Okay.
Yeah.
So where are the other rules?
Other?
I mean, what is it? Where are these 12 rules? Because the rule count is 37 and we only see 29 rules in our 010101 rule set.
Those are over
Those are what?
Those are over TB. Those rules are created by PEGA, because we know while we selecting the rule set version and creating the rules, but the remaining whatever the things is there, those are automatically created by PEGA. See,
Okay.
for example, let me open the operator ID. So operator ID consists of only rule set. There is no version.
Okay.
You can make it as 30. This is implementation of
okay, got it.
and framework operator ID 31. Okay.
Okay.
Like that. And we created an application. Application also no version, only rule set. Here then we can make count 2, 2 to 4, 29, 33. So like that, maybe 3 or 4 more rules is there.
Okay, got it. And what is application validation and rule set validation, like validation mode?
Application validation is nothing but whatever the rules that we have in this application. Okay, those rules will like currently if it is in, if we say when we are searching for the rule, okay, total we have 10 versions. If we are in 10 version, when we are searching for the rule, if it is not found in the 10th version, it is go to the 9th version. If it is not found, it go to the 8th version. Otherwise it go to the 7th version. So like that, the whatever the rules that we have in the application, okay, those rules will be validated. If you see the definition, so whatever the rule sets that we added in the applications, these things can be validated. Okay, But
What do you mean validated here?
validate means it will taking the
Yes.
consideration only for those rule sets.
Okay.
Rule set validation in sense of if we select here we are applying some rule sets. Okay. If anything not found in this rule set version, come to this rule set version. If it is not found here, then it go to here. If it is not found here, then it goes to here. Finally, if it is not found here also, it will throw an error like the rule is not found, like that. So rule set validation in sense of the rules applied within the rule set version, but application validation in sense of the rule sets applied in the application itself. But nowadays, rule set validation is not going to be considered as only application validation is considering. Even if you want to see, you can go through your application also. This is the default one, and this is the thing only we are using. Rule set validation is not a good practice to use. So rule sets contain rules. Rule sets are referred in the application rule form. As we see before that, when we open the application definition, you can see that rule sets and rules allow us to perform the versioning of the rules. An application can able to access the rules which are there in its application stack. So what we have seen the definition, right? There we have only implementation rule set and integration rule set and organization rule set and organization integration rule set. Only these things can only be accessible, and also parent application rule sets as well. Okay, so always rule set is associated with rule set name and version, like this: rule set name and version. Okay, now that is about rule set. Now let's see about the versions. 010101. So these are we have. So first 01 is, so in versions we have major version, minor version, and patch version. So major version, the first 01 is major one, second 01 is minor version, 01 and last one is patch version. So what is meant by major, minor, and patch? So if there is any big change in the functionality, okay, if you changing entire functionality like either case types, okay, if you want to change that major kind of functionality, we are going to use the major version. Or if changing any rules, well, like creating activity, create report definition, so those kind of things we can do it in minor version. And patch version is like minimum kind of upgrades, uh, like if you want to say changing the steps in activity, or setting the properties in data transform, or adding a column into the report definition, like this kind of small things we can do in patch version. This is the example that I'm saying. Okay, real time it is different, like major upgrades, minor upgrades, patch upgrades, some kind of issues there. Like if we say major, minor, we can use it for functionality purposes, and patch we can use for the debugging purposes. So if there any errors, we can create a patch version, and what we can give the fix the rules, and we can save those rules into the patch version. Now how we can versioning these rules? Let's suppose major version, these rule sets can only be up to 99, like 01, 01, 01. So once it is done, 01, 01, 02, next 01, 01, 03, and so on. 01, 01, 99. So like this. This is patch version. This is how patch version will be there. Okay. Patch version is up to 99. If you see the minor version, it is like 01, 01, 01, 01, 02, 01, 01, 02, sorry, 03, 01, so on, 01, 99, 01. So only the middle one is changing. This is minor version. 01, 01, 01, 02, 01, 01. So the major version is saying only the first one is changing. 99, 01, 01. This is major version. So this is how the rules are versioned in PEGA. So once the application reaches like 99 major version, 99 patch version, 99 patch version, there is nothing to develop. So application will be ended. There is nothing more to develop. So but reaching this number will take not number minimum, it is take hundreds of years. Even Pega product is developed by Pega systems, right? Even the Pega systems are currently in eighth major version. From the so many years they are developing the product, right? But still they are in eighth major version only. Still they have like 99. We see the see Pega rules version 8. They are currently in eighth major version and sixth minor version, but still they have plenty of rule sets. So it is impossible to reach that 99, 99, 99 rule set versions. Okay, so there are still in 8.6 only. So this is how the rules are versioning in the Pega. And the difference between the major version and minor version and patch version. So let's see how to create the rule set version. Let's suppose we have currently 010101 is the only version we have, and we have moved it to the production as well. So once this rule set is available in production, we cannot make any changes to this rule set version because it is not a good thing. So whatever the rules that are available in the production, that rules need to be locked. So if we came up with any change, then what we need to do, we need to save as them into the new created rule set version, and we can do whatever changes that we want. So now this is the uh, let me open the implementation rule set. So this is the implementation rule set version. So I'm creating one more rule set version. So directly it asking rule set name it will take, and version it is directly automatically taking, and description we can give whatever, like this is sprint 02, like create, okay, and save. And once we created, right, we can log this one. This is how we can log the rule sets. Okay, this can be locked, and save this. And for next one is implementation application rule set. Add one more rule set. And 02 lock. Next one, organization we have, right? So let's open that organization rule set as well. So you can ask why we need to lock the rule set version. As I said, in order to avoid the discrepancy in the rules which are available in this version and the rules which are available, the rule set version which is available in the production as well. Currently, I have 12 rules. In the production also, we have 12 rules. If you change anything, the rule count may be increased, but it is not relevant to that production, right? So it needs to be matched. If you see still, I'm trying to save as this to this rule set version. You cannot see 010101. Why? Because we have locked it. Let's suppose um, I'm unlocking this. Okay. Let's, for example, unlocked this. Now, if we try to save as, I think we need to save that thing. Sorry, we have implementation, right? See, 0102. You can able to select. Okay, if we again log this, only 010102 is there. So once the rule set is locked, we cannot able to see in here. It means we cannot able to make any changes, or we cannot able to create any rules in that particular version. Okay. So this is about rule set and rule set versions, and how to lock the rule sets and how to create the new rule sets. Okay. And what is the uh, what? Only three versions. Means you are asking about rule set version. So this, like this. It can be number of. I already told you that, right? The count is 99, 99, 99. Okay, like that. So 01, 01, 02 is the like a patch and major, minor, like that. You can create many. Let me open that PEGA rule set. So see like this. We can have a number of. Okay. So locking a rule set version. What are the advantages? So when we lock the rule set, we can creating new rules in the. We can prevent the create new rule set in the version, and modifying the existing rules of the version cannot be possible, and deleting the rules from that version is also possible, not possible. Let's say if you open, where is it? Sorry, we have logged all, right? See, previously we have what we can see the save button and delete button and actions buttons. Now you can able to see that delete button. No, right? Because it is locked. See, lock symbol you can see. So 0101 version is locked. Check out to branch or save into unlock rule set version to edit. Either we need to save it as to branch, or we need to save as to the new rule set version if you want to make any change, or if you want to delete. Even if you deleted in the new rule set version, the old version is still available. Okay. And next thing, let's say two developers are working. Okay.